Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial I will be showing you how to actually play The Sims 4 for free. Now it's a very easy process, let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that we need is Steam. Now Steam is a gaming platform that allows you to download and play games on your PC or laptop or Macbook. Now from there I'm going to show you how to install it. Now all you have to do is open up your preferred browser, type in Steam Player. Not Steam Player account, just simply the Steam Player, and here it takes you to Steam. Now from here you can install Steam in the top right corner, as you can see. Now once you pressed it, it will download the exe, choose the system you're on, and from there open up the .exe file and follow the prompts given. Now once your Steam has been installed, simply make an account using a Steam, and from there log into your existing account, and the Steam player should look something like this. Now this will take you to the store in the top left corner, and once the store opens up, all you have to do is go to the search bar right here. Now make sure that you are logged into your Steam account and type in Sims 4. Now as you can see here, the Sims 4 is free. Now from here all you have to do is scroll down till you find Play The Sims 4. Now here, play game or add to library. Now first we're going to add it to our library. Now from here Sims 4 has been added to our library and is now available in Steam Library. Now from here we go to our library right here, home, and as you can see here are all the games in my Steam library. Now here we're going to search by name and we type in Sims 4. Now as you can see, it takes us to the Sims game. Now here you can press install, create the disk, select the disk that you want it to be installed, create a desktop shortcut and simply press install. Now as you can see here, you can accept it, choose the language that you prefer, and the download has started. Now I'll be right back with you when the download has been finished. And when the download of Sims 4 has finally been complete, you will see a desktop icon right here, and you see the play button right here. Now you can simply play it from Steam by simply pressing the play button, and it will launch the game from here, as you can see. And here it will download the EA player for you to install the Sims and play these Sims. Now that's everything you need to know. From here you can simply play Steams from out your library of the Steam application, or simply double press the Steam desktop icon. Now if you still get any questions, leave them in the comments down below and I will try my very best to help you. If this tutorial has helped you in any kind of way, please leave a like and subscribe. I will appreciate it a lot. Thanks for watching.